and today we've got an activity based on the book, and it's called The Day the Crayons Quit. So for this activity you're going to be learning about all the different colours, and you're also going to be doing some fine motor skills with the cutting to strengthen the hand. So for this activity, the materials that you'll need some coloured paper and some child-friendly scissors, and also these flashcards. So for today's activity we're going to do a sorting game with colours. Now, can you tell me which colour this is? You're right, it's red. So can you think about things that are red? So I thought about a red apple. We could have red grape. So now, do you know what colour this is? It's yellow, like the sun. We could have sunflowers that are yellow. After this, do you know what colour this is? It's orange, like an orange. Now we've got purple, like a plum. Do you know what colour this is? It's got green, like the grass. And finally, what colour this is? You're right, it's blue, like the sky. So for this activity, you're going to use coloured paper, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut it into strips like this. So for now I've got the purple paper, and you're going to mix it a lot easier to cut. You fold it onto itself like this. Then use the child-friendly scissors, and in practice, just going like this. So now we're going to do some sorting. So we're going to use our paper and put it on the correct colour. So does this paper go in here? So is it red? No, it's not red, it's yellow. So put your yellow paper over here. Next, do you know what colour this is? What colour this is? You're right, it's purple. So this goes on the purple pile, like this. Next, this colour, does it go here? Is it blue? No, it's not blue. It goes on the red pile. Next, do you know what colour this is? You're right, it's blue. So it's there. Next we have, do you know what colour this is? It's green. So you put it on the green pile. Then finally, we have, do you know what colour this is? It's orange. So put it on the orange pile. So really well done. So now we're going to play a little game. Now I want you to go around the house and find an object with using all of these colours. So here's what I found. I found a car. But what colour is the car? It's red. So I'm going to put it in the red pile. Also in the kitchen, found a bowl. It's a blue bowl. So that goes in blue. I went outside and found a leaf, and it's green. So I'm going to put it in with green. Also had a pen. Do you know what colour this pen is? Is it yellow? No, it's not yellow, it's blue. So I'm going to put it in the blue pile. Also found a toothbrush. Do you know what colour this toothbrush is? It's yellow. So I'm going to put it in the yellow pile. I also found a spoon. Do you know what colour this spoon is? It's purple. So I'm going to put it in the purple pile. I also found a cup. Is it a yellow cup? No, it's orange. So I'm going to put it in the orange pile. And lastly, I found a crayon. Do you know what colour the crayon is? It's red. So that goes in the red pile. So I also found another pen, but do you know what colour this pen is? It's green. So I'm going to put it in the green pile. I found another cup, but what's this? What colour is this cup? It's yellow. You're right. So I'm going to put it in there. If you enjoyed the activity, I can't wait to see the videos of your children doing the same. And please send them in, and please like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Bye.